In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Canva using your Gmail account. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning graphics and designs, and logging in with Gmail is a convenient way to get started quickly. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First and foremost, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Canva login page. You can do this by typing in www.canva.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the Canva homepage. If you're not already at the login page, look for the login option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a few different options to sign in. Since we're focusing on using Gmail today, go ahead and click on the button that says Sign Up at the top right corner of the screen. Even though we're logging in, the process can often start with the Sign Up button because Canva integrates both processes. After clicking Sign Up, you'll be presented with several options to continue. Here, you'll want to choose Continue with Google. This option is usually represented by the Google logo and is a quick and easy way to log in if you already have a Gmail account. It's safe and secure as Canva uses Google's authentication to verify your identity. Now, when you click on Continue with Google, a new window will pop up or you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to input your Gmail address. If you're already logged into your Gmail account on your browser, you might see your account listed. Simply select your account from the list. If not, enter your Gmail email address and click Next. This will take you to another page where you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. At this point, Google might ask you to verify your identity with a two-step verification process. This is an extra layer of security to ensure that it's really you trying to log in. Follow the prompts, which might include receiving a text message or an email for verification, and complete the verification process. After successfully verifying your account, you'll be redirected back to Canva, and just like that, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, all logged in and ready to start creating your designs. It's really that simple. So there you have it, a quick and seamless way to log into Canva using your Gmail account. This method not only saves time, but also keeps your accounts linked and secure. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you're all set to explore the creative possibilities that Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.